So, this is Koopy shaving for the first time.
Yeah.
Say hi, Nana.
Hi, Nana. I'm shaving.
Nana bought him this last year, but he forgot.
Oh, yeah?
For Christmas.
All right. Well, let's see you shave.
Okay.
He's going to look right here into the mirror. Oh, don't cut yourself.
I'm not. It's not real.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This is not a real thing. Touch it.
All right, cool.
It's a toy one.
Just a toy one?
Yeah.
You got to get under your chin. Good job, Bubba. Turn this way. Let me see.
Here, come here. It's okay. It's all gone.
Yeah. Yucky.
It's all right. You got it all.
In my mouth. Dad, it's not funny.
It's
All right.
not funny, Dad.
All right. I'm sorry. You gonna shave your eyebrow?
No, I'm trying to get it because someone's right by it.
Doing a good job. All right, looks all done.
No, it doesn't.
All right, our camera's running out of space.
Say goodbye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
We're going to be here for a while.